but we are going to feed them to the small animal of the
Ini kecil. North American brand is expensive. They sell at Toys R Us. Depend on like 2块钱的 If around the big one.
How about their homework? If they eat, then they have to mark.